Is the Intel Core i3 9100 still worth buying in 2026? Thinking face. Can it handle gaming, AutoCAD, or video editing? Watch this video till the end, I'll explain everything clearly. What you will learn. In this video, you will learn full specifications, real performance, best GPUs, power consumption, and whether you should buy this CPU or not. Full specifications. 4 cores and 4 threads. Base clock, 3.6 GHz. Turbo boost, up to 4.2 GHz. Cache, 6 MB. TDP, 65 watts. Integrated graphics, Intel UHD 630. This is a non-hyper-threaded CPU, so performance is limited compared to newer processors. iGPU performance. With the built-in UHD 630 graphics, you can do normal tasks like browsing, YouTube, and Office work very smoothly. Light games can run on low settings. But for heavy gaming, this iGPU is not enough. GPU performance. Example. Let's take an example with a GTX 1650. You can play games like GTA 5 on medium to high settings smoothly. Esports games like Valorant and CS, GO will run very well. But if you use a high-end GPU, you may face bottleneck issues. Best 3 GPUs for this CPU. Here are the best GPU options for this processor. GTX 1650 best for budget gaming. GTX 1660 better performance. RTX 3050 good for future use. But going above this range is not recommended due to bottleneck. Power consumption plus PSU plus electricity bill. The CPU has a TDP of 65 watts. Right finger without GPU, total system power, around 200 to 250 watts. Recommended PSU, 400W. Right finger with GPU, total system power, 300 to 400 watts. Recommended PSU, 450 to 550W. Right finger electricity cost, Kolkata example. If you use your PC 3 to 4 hours daily, monthly cost will be around 300 rupees to 500 rupees. Motherboard support. This CPU uses the LGA1151 socket. Compatible motherboards include H310, B360, and H370. RAM support. Supports DDR4 RAM up to 2400 MHz. Recommended, 8 GB minimum, 16 GB for better performance. Final verdict. So, should you buy this CPU in 2026? Checkmark yes, if you have a low budget, you want basic usage or light gaming. Crossmark no, if you want heavy gaming, you want video editing or future-proof performance. Next video teaser. In the next video, I will show you the best full PC build for this processor, so don't miss it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.